Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to set fingerprint reader on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So you must go to the settings first. Now scroll down to lock screen and AOD. Here tap on screen lock and biometrics. And in this menu you can see all the possible screen locks and biometrics. I will choose fingerprints. Now phone asking us for setting some kind of protection before the fingerprint is set it up. I will choose PIN. There are some settings for lock screen notification. I will accept this for now. PIN is set. So we have PIN set. So if for example your phone doesn't recognize your newly added fingerprints, you will still be able to access your phone with PIN. So continue. Now we can start to set up our fingerprints. Continue. There are some rules for fingerprints. Register, and now we can register our fingers. Try to register your finger also from front, from sides. It will be better this way. Also you can add more fingers here. You can add your right hand, or you can add your left hand here. It also be better if you have more fingers registered. Okay, done. And now we have fingerprint set it up. We can check it and it works. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this please consider subscribing. Bye.